got somewhat of an idea by the title and thumbnail what we're going to be doing in today's video, but basically this is going to be a behind the scenes look at the long tubes on chomper video, because it was already getting pretty long. I didn't want to throw this big portion of the video in the middle of that install. However, you probably saw where I was having issues with the bolts that snapped off in chomper. But basically, if you saw in that video, we had 4 broken studs. 2 of them I was able to get out, 2 of them are broken the head. And this past week I've been messing around with this little cheap welder that I have, trying to learn how to weld just enough to tack something onto those studs and get them to back out. You can just putty it up, or you can put a washer and a nut, whatever. There's a bunch of different ways that people on YouTube in their videos make look extremely easy. I feel confident I could drill and extract that one. However, the other one is the one that's up under the dash, and there's no way. So I would have to use the welder, and last night when I was practicing, it broke. So somehow, I don't know what, I mean, it's cheapo welder, whatever. Anyways, it broke. I'm tired of messing with it. I need to get the long tubes on. I need to get that video out. So basically what we're gonna be doing is taking chomper to Kevin that can, he said, take these bolts out for really cheap and not have any issues. I'm sure he's got a nice welder. He's been in the business forever. Now the issue is, the truck has no manifold, so it can't be driven there, so I'm gonna have to tow it there. Rodney's gonna let me borrow the trailer again, just like in the Sonata video where I went and got it. Now that one wasn't really an issue. The truck was really squatted, but we were able to tow it, which I had it more facing towards the front. Anyways, now the truck is a little different. We've got the 35s, we've got the 2-inch spacers. That's sketchy. Towing with spacers, that's sketchy. In my mind, I'm low-key freaking out. I gotta go pick up the trailer. We'll come back here. Dad's gonna help me load chomper on, hopefully. What do you think, Hubert? First time riding in the front of the 22. I mean, Dad, it's pretty cool. I like riding for sure. All right, we have successfully gotten the trailer. Now we're gonna pull the truck out of the basement with the barn buggy, and then I think we're just gonna back this up to it and pull it on, load it up backwards. All right, boys, here she is. Pulled it out on some level ground. Everything looking pretty good. Not squatted too bad, just a little bit more than what it was with just the trailer. Obviously, that's because we got the truck sitting like it is back here, but got her strapped down. Hopefully, make the drive fine. To get you out, you freaking turd. Let's see, probably can't see it on the other side, but it's the front one, and then that guy, and as you can see, it's been leaking for a while. But yeah, got like a 20-30 minute drive, not too bad. Hopefully nothing sketchy happens. We'll get there, and hopefully, fingers crossed, he can get to it today. All right, guys, I ain't gonna lie, it's a titch bit sketchy. Definitely got a little too much weight in the back, of course. Probably should have flipped the truck around. It's a little floaty. We came down the driveway, which is really steep. Tried to push a little bit when trying to. I was just going real slow and trying to turn, and it was trying to push the truck. Truck's hanging at like $3 grand, just holding the gear real strong. But we're just gonna keep it under 50. Probably just cruise 45 there. But according to the GPS, we got to go on the road up here that has got a bunch of long, steep hills. So we'll see. That's what we got to look forward to. All right, nobody pull in front of me, you knuckleheads. That's what I'm most scared of, is someone pulling in front of me and having to hit the brakes hard. We got about 110 people behind us, but guess what? They gonna have to just deal with it, because we ain't going over 45. So, yep. See how she likes these hills. right, we successfully made it. Chomper survived the trip here. All right, we're actually gonna leave the trailer here. He's saying he should have it ready by lunch. He's got 2 more vehicles he's got to finish up, he said, but he said, don't get comfortable. He'll have it ready by lunchtime, so that's what I'm talking about. We're gonna dump the trailer off, leave it here, and just a random turn of events, Lauren's meeting her parents over here for lunch. So, dude, I'm telling you, for all the times I stress, everything works out, bro. Everything works out. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Boom, hit the pole. Come on, don't rip my fenders off. Probably see why I'm saying don't be suspicious. He's sitting in his car eyeballing me, but my windows were already down, so I'm good. Also, I saw this when I went in. Y'all know, everybody's seen Prime, right? Logan Paul's thing. I already tried it once, and I mean, to be honest, first sip I was like, dang, that's freaking good. And then I took a second sip and I was like, dang, that kind of tastes like cough medicine. And it doesn't taste like cough medicine, but it's very strong flavor. It's good, but I don't know if I'd enjoy drinking the whole bottle. Look at that Starbucks line. But also, wifey's here, so he said it'll only be a couple hours, so we're gonna hang out around here. All right, boys, he just texted me. We are good to go. He got him out. Thank goodness. I just had in the back of my mind, I was like, dude, something's gonna go wrong, something's gonna happen. But nope, he's got him good to go. So I think I told y'all we left the trailer. We left the trailer and everything there. So headed back, hook that up, let's get this sucker home. All right, boys, she is loaded. I might have to scoot it up some because we didn't quite put it as far back, but she's on here and we are out of here. So headed back to the house. It's about to storm. Perfect timing. It's past like 10 policemen. I don't know what the crap's going on, but we've got a new element. Mother Nature has introduced rain, which the hill I was trying to show you, I barely just made it up because I was spinning like crazy trying to climb it, which is great. I pulled the truck up farther before I left, but still a little tail heavy, and that was a little sketchy. Thankfully, the old G80 kicked in and pulled on up. My trailer wires, the wires are freaking, let me show y'all. The wires are flopping, and they have to have a little bitty short in them because they're flopping and they keep disconnecting, and things are getting sketchy. All right, guys, we're on the final stretch. Let's get this thing to the farm. The 22 did great. You could definitely feel Chomper back there way more than the Sonata over there. It's probably the way that I loaded it, or maybe that truck does weigh way more than the car, which is probably a little bit of everything. But 22 did great, no issues. Thankfully, no problems with the spacers. Our tires did not fall off. Really didn't run into any rubbing issues. I was able to maneuver totally fine. And we're here. We're only gone for about 4 hours, honestly, which is crazy. I feel like I've been gone for a whole day, but really hadn't been bad. So I've got everything undone. The goal is, I might have to back the trailer a little more to give us a little more angle. Here's the rain. But I've got her unhooked. I'm gonna throw her in neutral, and we're gonna try to coast right back in here. And let's get the rest of this long tube header install done. Well, we got Chomper unloaded. The trailer is loaded back up and ready to be delivered back to its owner. So that's gonna be about it for this video, guys. Hopefully y'all did enjoy this little extra vlog from the long tube header vlog. I got to get in there now and finish that install so I can actually put that video out for y'all. And I know I'm super excited, and I know y'all are super excited to hear Chomper with the long tubes. And then we got a bunch of other stuff we got to do to that truck. But like I said, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Comment down below, let me know. I'll see y'all in the next one.